Hello, this is Jim from TechBuzz. We're just going to give you a quick look on how to set up this eachine 520S drone. So what's going to happen is you're going to download the eachine app, power up with your battery, plug it in. You're going to have these flashing lights underneath here, as you can see, and what will happen is when they've locked signal, the flashing will stop, and you then power on your control here. You have your battery status there, and you have the usual buttons here, and pretty simple to navigate. Your aerials here, and then you have your buttons on the back here, like so, you photograph and video. But again, you can do this through the app if you want. So you'll open up the app on the Wi-Fi. You will then pick the drone from the Wi-Fi. So you're going to go into your networks there, and you have your Wi-Fi on the drone there. So you're going to let it connect, and you must let it give you a notification back here to stay connected, and you're connected. So we're all locked in now. The lights have stopped flashing, so you have the app like so. You turn this around, press play, and as you can see, the drone is there now. So across the top then you have your touchscreen buttons here, and they're all basically just replicating what's on this. You have your photograph there like so, your video record, your play, so you can access your files from here. So you go into pictures, you can see from here. But funny enough, I can't seem to access the video, so you have to put the video into your laptop, which works fine, and they'll come out. So then you have your satellite and your controls here if you want to use this, and then you have your other settings here like so. And that's basically it. It's pretty simple to set up, and then once you have all that done, that's it, and away you go. You're ready to go. Pretty simple to use and very easy to use and great to navigate. Now the footage that we've got now at the moment, the weather here is a bit crap in Ireland, so it's a bit shaky footage, but after the break you'll see some clips that we took with this. Now it's only a 720p drone, so take that in mind. We took some aerial footage and photos, and they're not bad at all, and the performance wasn't too bad at all considering the price of the drone. Ideal for starting off with your first drone, and you can start moving up from there once you get comfortable and how to navigate them and so on. Like this will follow you around. You can set a geo fence on it and so on, the usual stuff that you'll find on your standard drone. And as I said, you have your touch options here, or your physical buttons up here to work, so you can work between both, and it's pretty simple to use. So that's really it. So after the break, check out the footage. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.